हेलो एंड अ वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग टू वन एंड ऑल। स्वागत है आप सभी लोगों का वाईफाई स्टडी स्टूडियोज के इस चैनल पे, इस सेशन पे। तो मैं शुरू करने जा रही हूँ आज के इस सेशन में 101 एरर डिटेक्शन सीरीज। जी हाँ, बिल्कुल 101 एरर डिटेक्शन की सीरीज हम यहाँ पे शुरू करने वाले हैं और इस सीरीज को हम पार्ट बाय पार्ट करेंगे। आज है हमारी सीरीज का डे 1। बहुत जल्दी हम इस सीरीज को भी कंप्लीट करेंगे। सो चलिए शुरू करते हैं सेशन को। आई वेलकम ऑल ऑफ यू on this platform, Wi-Fi Study Studios. This is your educator of English, Achal Singh, and we are here on Wi-Fi Study Studios. It's one of the best channel where you get to learn how to crack your exams, whatever you are aspiring for. I hope this session be helpful for you, and I hope you people have liked, share, and subscribe the channel and also the session. Okay. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं। सबसे पहले तो मैं आप लोगों को ये पूछना भी चाहूंगी और आपसे ये बताना भी चाहूंगी कि आप लोगों ने अगर अभी तक अनअकैडमी ऐप को डाउनलोड नहीं किया है तो बहुत बड़ी गलती कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो आपको चीजें मिलेंगी वो कहीं नहीं मिलेंगी। यूट्यूब की क्लासेस तो करनी ही है, सेशंस अटेंड करने ही हैं, क्योंकि लाइव सेशंस होते हैं, लाइव डाउट्स क्लियर कर सकते हैं आप यहाँ पे। आप लाइव क्वेश्चंस कर पुट अप कर सकते हैं हमारे सामने, जिसमें भी आपको डाउट हो, राइट। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, you have to go and follow us on an academy. Now what do you get if you go and follow us on an academy? Basically you get free live class, you get free live PDF of that particular class. If you have missed that free live class, you can watch free recorded session. You can also go and avail free quiz, mock test, practice session, and whatnot. You name it and it is there. You name it and it is there, right? So all you need to do is go, just type my name, ANCHAL जी हाँ, मैं हूँ आपकी educator English की. You just have to type my name and hit the follow button and you will be able to avail everything. Now one very important thing, if you want to avail more classes, if you want to be if you become a part of paid course plus class, right? So you get a lot of regular classes, and regular classes helps you in maintaining your regularity. It fulfills the gap where you are lacking in to crack exam. The faculty knows you personally and then they start guiding you accordingly. The faculty will help you in understanding the question level. The faculty will help you in maintaining the regularity of the sessions. So all you need to do is go type my code and buy a subscription. How will you buy the subscription? You have to select your choice of goal, bank SSC, both, whatever you are interested in. After that, you need to choose your plan. For example, यहाँ पे मैंने 12 months plan choose करके रखा हुआ, which is for example of 6,000 rupees. So you need to use code AN Live, and जैसे ही आप ये कोड का इस्तेमाल करेंगे, you will see that you are going to avail, you have availed 10% instant discount, which I have promised you that my code will give you 10% instant discount, and your fees becomes 5,400, right? Then you can proceed to pay with this fees, which is given over here. This is my schedule. You can have a look on my schedule. Monday to Friday, you can see my classes on Wi-Fi Study Studios, which is a YouTube channel, 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Monday to Wednesday, you can see my classes on Unacademy Plus. And students who are SSC aspirants, I have started a weekend batch, which is every Saturday from 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. And it's a session where you get to learn everything about SSC. It has started from 30th of Jan. You can join me over here in this session as well. 11:30 to 1:30 p.m. मेरी स्पेशल क्लासेस होती हैं अनअकैडमी के प्लेटफॉर्म पे. 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. वाईफाई स्टडी बैंक एग्जाम पे आप मेरे सेशंस को देख सकते हो. एंड 10:30 to 11 a.m. थर्सडे और फ्राइडे को आप मेरे साथ जुड़ सकते हो वाईफाई 2.0 चैनल पे. Okay, so I hope this is helpful to you, and I hope this turns out to be a really great session. All the sessions turns out to be a very great sessions for you, and you learn a lot of things. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. तो आज के सेशन में हम करने वाले हैं 101 एरर सीरीज, एरर डिटेक्शन. ठीक है, तो एरर डिटेक्शन को सॉल्व करते वक्त कुछ चीजें ध्यान में रखनी है कि हमें क्या करना है. सब्जेक्ट आइडेंटिफाई करना है। सब्जेक्ट हम किससे आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे? विद द हेल्प ऑफ नाउन, सिंगुलर या प्लूरल, उसके वर्ब को चेक कर लेना है, उसके टेंस को चेक कर लेना है, जो भी कंजंक्शंस यूज किए हैं, अगर कोऑर्डिनेटिव कंजंक्शंस है तो उन्हें चेक कर लेना है, कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शंस नहीं है तो भी उन्हें चेक करना है। प्रीपोजिशन सही यूज किए गए हैं या फिर नहीं किए गए हैं, उनको आपको यूज कर लेना है, देख लेना है। एंड देन कम्स द आर्टिकल, आर्टिकल्स चेक करना है, ए एंड द का यूसेज अगर कहीं हुआ है तो वो सही हुआ है या नहीं, या फिर अगर कहीं नहीं हुआ है तो क्या वहां यूज करने की जरूरत है। एंड रेस्ट वट एवर यू नो अबाउट सब्जेक्ट वर्ब अग्रीमेंट comes under this, falls under this umbrella. So I hope this turns out to be a fruitful session. तो आपको इस तरह से चेक करते चलना है अपने ग्रामर लेंसेज की हेल्प से, राइट? आइए शुरू करते हैं सेशन को। तो सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन जो यहाँ पे हमारे पास है वो क्वेश्चन ये है that these companies have been asked to furnish their financial details and information about its board members. Where does the error lie? If there is any error in part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, you can comment me in the comment box and tell me what is the answer. And if you think it's a no error question, you can mark your answer as no error. I'll give you a fraction of seconds to understand where does the error lie, and then I shall move forward and tell you the answer. Okay? So you have 30 seconds to answer. Your time starts now. 30 seconds about to get over. I hope you people have answered the question, commented in the comment box, and definitely I'll check them later. But अभी पहले मैं आपको आंसर बता देती हूँ। Now यहाँ पे हमने देखा कि यहाँ पे कंपनीज प्लूरल है, उसके साथ हमारा जो रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन लग रहा है, डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव वर्ड लग रहा है, वो भी प्लूरल है। फाइन, वेल, गुड इनफ। Verb plural, to furnish their financial details plural, and information about their board members will be the correct answer because there is usage of plural word, right? So the error is in option number 4. I hope you got this error. Question number 2. The scheme that will be launched during the next 2 years require an additional investment of 200 crores. No error. Where does the error lie? You have to identify the error and tell me the answer. Your time for this question starts now. चैनल को लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब आपने कर लिया होगा, सेशन को भी ढेर सारा लाइक कीजिए। अनअकैडमी पे आप जाके मुझे फॉलो कर सकते हैं बाय जस्ट टाइपिंग माय नेम फॉर फ्री क्लासेस। एंड ऑफ कोर्स अगर आप पेड कोर्सेज भी बाय करना चाहते हैं तो वो भी आप बाय कर सकते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ 10% इंस्टेंट डिस्काउंट बाय यूजिंग माय कोड एन लाइव। Okay, time's up. The scheme. We are basically talking about scheme. So scheme is which noun? Singular or plural? It is a singular noun. The scheme that will be launched during किस समय लॉन्च किया जाएगा? नेक्स्ट 2 years के अंतराल में लॉन्च किया जाएगा। उस स्कीम को जरूरत है एडिशनल इन्वेस्टमेंट की ऑफ 200 करोड़। तो वो स्कीम जब प्लूरल है तो उसके साथ लगा हुआ जो वर्ब है वो भी तो प्लूरल सिंगुलर हो जाएगा। सो द स्कीम that will be launched during the next 2 years requires an additional investment. The error is in option number 3 and this is the following error. Okay, moving on to the next question. Road developers unable to complete their projects on time will not be awarded new ones. Where does the error lie? जल्दी से कमेंट बॉक्स पे आप आंसर कर सकते हैं। कमेंट बॉक्स पे आपके आंसर्स हमें मिल जाएंगे, तो आप लोग आंसर करिए और बताइए व्हाट अकॉर्डिंग टू यू इज द करेक्ट आंसर टू द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस। Where does the error lie? यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है रोड डेवलपर्स विच इज प्लूरल, their projects, which is plural, projects also plural, on time, समय पे, है ना, on time ही बोलते हैं, will not be awarded new ones, उन्हें नए वाले projects नहीं मिलेंगे. So basically there is no error. Next question. A federal court in New York has issued summon to Congress President Sonia Gandhi for shielding and protecting leaders of her party who were allegedly involved in the anti-Sikh riots in India in 1984. No error. I hope you are aware of this scenario. You are aware of this इंसिडेंट. आप लोगों ने हिस्ट्री काफी पढ़ी होगी तो आप लोगों को इस हिस्ट्री के बारे में अंदाजा होगा बिल्कुल, और होना भी चाहिए, because it's about our history, Indian history, so we should be aware of the Indian history, right? So चलिए बताइए, what according to you is the correct answer? Where does the error lie? This is question number 4. Where does the error lie? The error is in option number, the error is in option number 1. Do we ever say summon? It is always a word summons. Similarly, do we ever say mathematic? Do we ever say trouser? Do we ever say physic? Do we ever say economic? We never say that, because these nouns always carry a suffix s with them, and that's how they are spelled, right? That's how their spelling is. So the error is in option number 1, which says summons. Next question. India has fifth largest coal deposits in the world, though production has slipped in recent years of the reason because of the reason of labor strife, poor management, and corruption. What do you think? When do we use any uh, conjunction for reason? Where does the error lie? I have given you a hint. Now answer the following question. What should be the correct answer to the following question? Where does the error lie? The error is in option number, time's up. So I'll tell you the answer. The error is in option number 3. In recent years, because of the reason of, why will I use reason again when I'm already using because, right? So I'll use any one of them. So we'll use India has fifth largest coal deposits in the world, though production has slipped in recent years because of labor strikes, poor management, and corruption. We will not use the reason of. Okay, next question. The government has signed a memorandum of understanding with the company to set up a plant in the state. Where does the error lie? You have to tell error kahan pe, kis part mein hai sentence ke. Your time for this question already started. Where does the error lie? Or it's a no error question. ध्यान से पढ़िए, एक एक सब्जेक्ट वर्ब प्रेडिकेट और उनके साथ यूज किए गए टेंस, उनके साथ यूज किए गए कंजंक्शन, प्रीपोजिशन, सभी का ध्यान दीजिए. देखिए, the government has signed, government is singular, has signed singular. Okay, correct. A memorandum, singular, of understanding with the company to set up a plant in the state. Totally all right. No error. Next question. Imagine if Pakistan and India have been together. The Taliban would have spread its poison all across India. Where does the error lie? आपको बताना है किस पार्ट में एरर है. देखिए ध्यान से. क्या लिखा हुआ है? इमेजिन कीजिए बोला जा रहा है. इमेजिन कीजिए अगर पाकिस्तान और इंडिया साथ में होते तो तालिबान अपना पॉइजन पूरे इंडिया में बांट चुका होता. द एरर इज इन ऑप्शन नंबर 2. हैड बीन टुगेदर. अगर होते तो, हुए नहीं है, होंगे भी नहीं शायद, होते तो बोला जा रहा है. Over the past few months, we in India have been witnessing a surge of optimism with the hope that India's story is on a strong foot. Where does the error lie? I hope you people are giving your exams and you people are understanding where you are lacking. Those who are not qualifying and those who are qualifying, they definitely are helping their aspirants, their friends to crack the exam. And you can definitely recommend your friends to come on this platform, do the classes, and also join the Unacademy session. We can have a group study where you are seeing and competing with your friend, and you definitely know that which who's better. So whoever is better, आप उनसे उनकी goodness ले सकते हो और आप अपनी goodness उनको spread कर सकते हो. That is how we spread happiness, how we spread knowledge, isn't it? Okay, so the error here is in option number 3. What is the error? Over the past few months, we in India have been witnessing a surge of optimism with the hope that Indian story is on a strong foot. Next question. The need to set up a good library in the locality has been in the minds of people for some time now. Where does the error lie? The need to set up a good library in the locality has been in the minds of people for the some time now. Where does the error lie? Which part of the sentence do we have an error in this question? Let me tell you the answer to the following question. The error here is in option number 4 for the sometime now. Not sounding better, right? For sometime now, we can say. So the error is in option number 4. Next question. Everyone who visited Singapore is impressed by cleanliness, which is mainly a result of rigorous implementation of their strict laws. No error. Where does the error lie? Look at each and every noun used here. Look at each and every verb used here. uh, Adverb, conjunction, preposition, everything. We are talking about in particular about Singapore. Then why will we use there over here? The error is in option number 4. We need to use its strict laws. This is the correct answer. Next, studies show that the lives of millions of mothers and their children could be saved if countries would invest in programs that ensures a healthy pregnancy and safe childbirth. No error. Where does the error lie? Where does the error lie? Let's find it out. The error is in option number 3. क्या error है? Studies show that the lives of millions of mothers and their children could be saved if countries would invest plural verb in programs that ensure, this will also be plural, ensure a healthy pregnancy and safe childbirth. Next question. Film viewers claims that the number of scenes depicting alcohol consumption have increased dramatically over the last decade. Check your subject, check your verb, you will get your answer. There is an option number 1, definitely. Film viewers is plural, claims is not plural, it is singular. And if I remove s, it becomes plural. So we have to use a plural verb with a plural subject, right? 40% of the people alive today have never made a phone call. But, लेकिन 30% लोगों के पास तो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी भी नहीं है उनके घरों में, तो क्या कहते हैं हम बट कब लगाते हैं? जब किसी के पास फोन, उनके पास फोन कॉल करने की फैसिलिटी नहीं है, क्या उन्होंने शायद फोन कॉल आज तक नहीं किया, लेकिन उन्होंने वो फ्लाइट में जरूर चढ़े हैं, तो ये तो अचूभे वाली चीज हो जाएगी, तब हम यहाँ पे बट डेफिनेटली लगाएंगे। लेकिन अगर ऐसा नहीं हो रहा है तो हम क्या यूज करेंगे यहाँ पे बट की जगह? वी विल नॉट यूज बट हियर। उस केस में व्हाट आर वी गोइंग टू यूज? 40% of the people alive today have never made a phone call and 30% still have no electricity connections to their homes. This will be the correct answer and correct usage of but. Workers with less personal problems are likely to be more productive in their work. Where does the error lie? Where does the error lie in these questions? We are doing a series of 101 questions and we are doing it over here on Wi-Fi Study Studios with your educator of English, Achal ma'am. The correct answer to the following question will be workers with less पर्सनल प्रॉब्लम्स जब आपकी होती है, जब आपकी प्रॉब्लम्स पर्सनल होती है तो आपको पता होती है वो कितनी प्रॉब्लम्स है, और नेगेटिवली प्रॉब्लम्स आर ट्रीटेड नेगेटिवली प्लस काउंटेबल है ना। सो उस केस में हम फ्यू का यूज करते हैं, लेस का यूज नहीं करते हैं। वर्कर्स विद फ्यू पर्सनल प्रॉब्लम्स आर लाइकली टू बी मोर प्रोडक्टिव इन देयर वर्क। There can't be any situation where somebody makes in an asset located in India and does not pay tax either to India or to the country of his origin. No error. Where does the error lie? आप टैक्स पे करते हैं, आप टैक्स किसे पे करते हैं? Whom do you pay the tax? Whom do you pay the tax? हम टैक्स किसे पे करते हैं? हम टैक्स अपने सरकार को पे करते हैं। आप जिस कंट्री में आप उस सरकार को पे करते हैं। तो अगर हम कहें देयर कांट बी एनी सिचुएशन वेयर somebody makes in an asset located in India and does not pay tax either to India or to the country of his origin, जिस भी कंट्री में रहता है वो या जिस भी कंट्री की ओरिजिनेशन है उनकी, उस कंट्री को ना दे रहा हो, एसेट बना रहा हो लेकिन दे ना रहा हो, तो ऐसे तो पॉसिबल नहीं है। So how are we going to use it? What will be the error here? The error here will be either in India or इन द कंट्री ऑफ हिज ओरिजिन। कंट्री में देंगे, कंट्री की सरकार को देंगे, है ना, आप अपने सरकार को देंगे, सो आप इन लगाएंगे, आप टू नहीं लगाएंगे। ऐसा नहीं है ट्रांसफर कर रहे हैं, आई एम ट्रांसफरिंग माई टैक्स फ्रॉम इंडिया टू चाइना, राइट। सो आप जब एक जगह से दूसरी जगह भेज रहे हैं तब आप टू का यूज करेंगे व्हेन देयर इज मूवमेंट, बट हियर देयर इज नो मूवमेंट। So basically the error is in option number 4. And what is the error? The error is this, right? I hope this session was a wonderful session for you guys and you have learned a lot in this session, and very soon we will be discussing a lot of more things and some more questions here. So till then, take care, goodbye, have a good day. Do like, share, and subscribe the channel, and also like the session. See you guys very soon in the next session. Bye bye.